Let me tell you, when I started in real estate, my best piece of tech was a Rolodex and a good pair of walking shoes. We pounded the pavement, made endless cold calls, and worked around the clock just to get a foot in the door. Today, the game has completely changed, and if you're not paying attention, you're going to be left in the dust. The big disruptor? Artificial intelligence. AI isn't some far-off, futuristic concept anymore. It's here, and it's acting like the sharpest assistant you could ever hire. It's changing how we find leads, talk to clients, and close deals faster than ever before. It's no longer about just working hard. It's about working smart. Think of AI as your secret weapon. It's the tool that helps you sort through mountains of data to find that one golden nugget, the buyer who is ready to make an offer, or the seller who is just thinking about listing. Before, you had to rely on gut feelings and a bit of luck. Now, AI can analyze market trends, online search behavior, and even social media activity to predict who is most likely to move. It takes the guesswork out of the equation, letting you focus your energy where it will actually pay off. This isn't about replacing the personal touch. It's about supercharging it with incredible insights you never had access to before. The real magic of AI in real estate is how it frees up your most valuable asset, your time. How many hours have you spent writing and rewriting property descriptions, trying to find the perfect words to make a listing shine? How many late nights have you been up answering the same basic questions from potential clients? AI can handle those repetitive tasks for you. It can draft compelling listings, answer frequently asked questions instantly via a chatbot, and even manage your calendar. This allows you to do what you do best: building relationships, negotiating deals, and being the neighborhood expert people trust. So if you're still doing everything the old-fashioned way, you're essentially choosing to work with one hand tied behind your back. Your competitors are already using these tools to get ahead. They are responding to leads faster, creating more engaging marketing materials, and providing a level of service that's impossible to match manually. Adopting AI isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity for survival and success in today's competitive market. It's the key to scaling your business without burning yourself out. And trust me, I know a thing or two about building a business from the ground up. All right, let's get down to business and talk about the actual tools that can make a difference. First up, think about lead generation. A tool like Structurally is a game changer. This AI assistant is designed to engage and qualify your leads 24/7. Imagine a potential buyer fills out a form on your website at 2 in the morning. Instead of them waiting until you're at your desk the next morning, Structurely's AI, Aisa, immediately starts a conversation via text message. It asks qualifying questions like, "Are you working with an agent?" or "What's your timeline for moving?" By the time you wake up, you have a fully qualified, warm lead waiting for your personal follow-up. Next, let's talk about creating those eye-catching property listings. We've all been there, staring at a blank screen trying to describe a kitchen for the 100th time. This is where a tool like Jasper AI, which used to be called Jarvis, comes in. You can feed it a few bullet points about a property: 4 bedrooms, renovated kitchen with granite countertops, large backyard with a new deck, and it will whip up several compelling paragraph-long descriptions in seconds. For example, it can turn big backyard into an expansive, private backyard oasis, complete with a brand new deck perfect for summer barbecues and entertaining guests. It saves you time and makes your listings stand out from the crowd. Then there's the challenge of managing your schedule and communicating with clients. An AI-powered chatbot on your website, like the one offered by Drift, can be your frontline receptionist. It can answer common questions instantly, like, "What are your commission rates?" Or, "Can you tell me more about the property on 123 Main Street?" More importantly, it can book appointments directly into your calendar. A client can interact with the bot, find a time that works for both of you, and schedule a showing or a consultation without you ever having to lift a finger. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps or takes a coffee break. Finally, consider a tool that combines multiple functions. CINC, which stands for Commissions Inc., is a great example of an all-in-one platform with a powerful AI component. It not only captures leads, but also uses behavioral data to tell you which ones are hot and which are cold. Its AI will track how often a lead visits your site, which properties they look at, and how long they spend on each page. It then alerts you, saying something like, "John Smith has viewed 5 Elm Street 3 times today. It might be a good time to call him." This kind of intelligence is what separates the top earners from everyone else. It's about knowing who to call and exactly when to call them. Now, with all these shiny new tools out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. The secret is not to buy every single AI gadget on the market. Instead, you need to be strategic and pick the right partner for your specific business needs. The first step is to identify your biggest pain point. Are you drowning in unqualified leads and wasting hours on follow-up calls that go nowhere? Then a lead qualification tool like Structurally should be at the top of your list. Don't invest in a fancy AI for writing listings if your main problem is that your phone isn't ringing in the first place. Be honest about where you're struggling the most. Once you've identified your biggest challenge, it's time to do your homework and compare your options. Look for tools that are specifically designed for the real estate industry. A generic chatbot won't understand the nuances of a real estate conversation, but one built for agents will know exactly what questions to ask. Read reviews from other real estate professionals. What are they saying about the tool's effectiveness and ease of use? Most importantly, look for tools that offer a free trial or a demo. You wouldn't buy a house without walking through it first, so don't commit to a subscription without test driving the software to see if it fits your workflow. Another crucial tip is to consider how well the AI tool will integrate with the systems you already use. If your entire business runs on a specific CRM or customer relationship management software, you need an AI tool that can seamlessly connect with it. There's nothing worse than having to manually transfer data between two different programs. That defeats the whole purpose of using AI to save time. Check for integrations with your calendar, email marketing platform, and lead sources. The goal is to create a smooth, automated system where all your technology works together like a well-oiled machine, not to create another island of data you have to manage. Finally, don't be afraid to start small. You don't need to build a fully automated, futuristic real estate empire overnight. Pick one area to improve, choose one tool, and master it. For example, start with an AI listing writer like Jasper. Use it for a month and track how much time you save and whether your listings get more engagement. Once you see the return on that small investment, you'll have the confidence and the cash flow to explore other AI solutions. The key is to take the first step. Choosing the right AI is about making a smart business investment, not just chasing a trend. Let's be blunt. If you think you can keep doing business the same way you did 5 or 10 years ago, you're setting yourself up for failure. The real estate landscape is more crowded and competitive than ever, and your clients' expectations are higher. They want instant answers, personalized service, and a seamless experience. AI is the only scalable way to deliver that level of service without cloning yourself. It's not a threat to your job. It's the single biggest opportunity you have to elevate your business, make more money, and get some of your personal time back. The agents who embrace this technology are the ones who will be leading the market tomorrow. Think about the bottom line. Every hour you spend on a mundane administrative task is an hour you're not spending on a dollar productive activity, like negotiating a contract or prospecting for your next big listing. AI hands you back those hours. It automates the busy work so you can focus on the human connections that truly build a real estate career. When your AI is handling initial lead follow-up and scheduling, you can spend your prime time meeting high-value clients face-to-face. This shift doesn't just make you more efficient, it makes you more profitable, turning wasted time into closed deals and commission checks. The fear of technology can be paralyzing, I get it. Many people hear artificial intelligence and think it's too complicated or too expensive. But the truth is, these tools are becoming more user-friendly and affordable every single day. Many are designed with the non-technical user in mind, featuring simple dashboards and clear instructions. Don't let fear hold you back from a tool that could double your productivity. The biggest risk isn't trying AI and failing. The biggest risk is doing nothing while your competition zooms right past you. You have to be willing to learn and adapt. That's the hallmark of every successful entrepreneur I've ever met. So my advice to every agent out there is this: stop waiting and start exploring. Pick one of the tools I mentioned or find another one that solves a problem you have. Sign up for a free trial this week. Play with it, see what it can do, and imagine how it could transform your daily routine. The future of real estate isn't coming. It's already here. It's powered by intelligence, both yours and the artificial kind. By combining your expertise with the power of AI, you won't just keep up with the changing times. You'll be the one setting the pace. Now go out there and make it happen.